Right, it's now the next day, and as you can see, the water's become pretty dang clear. Overnight, the makeshift inline filter here is doing its job. Got a whole bunch of different things. So I'm gonna empty this one out, clean that, and just let it run one more day, and we'll see how that goes. Actually, the water is much clearer today, and hopefully it'll be even better tomorrow. But it's doing a good job, the filter. This is right. So I figured just to show you the work this temporary filter has done, let me just show you how much this shade has actually caught. If you look at this, I mean, this is it's definitely worth doing. That's how bad this is. So yeah, it's been doing a really good job. I'm gonna clean this up, then let it run one more day, and everything should be back to normal. Cheers, everyone.